Good day, ma'am. My name is Rembrand B. Alcocer from BSBE 4B. Vision: a high-performing science and technology institute committed to produce optimistic, versatile, and productive individuals who will be contributors to a strong and happy nation. Mission: to develop optimistic, versatile, and productive individuals proficient in generating a better ways to living toward a peaceful environment and friendly society. Core values: inspired, ingenuity, nationalism, self-reliance, productivity, integrity, reliability, excellence, and dynamism. Institutional outcome: quality and excellence in producing innovative and happy individuals. PIST, a dream becomes reality with fervor and sincerity. To you we pledge our loyalty. For us and for our nation, you desire the best education. You are an institution worthy of our salvation. To all the blessing He grants, to our God to give our thanks. We leave into His hands our future and our plans. Oh Lord, bless our founders, student, parent, and teachers. Bless all our endeavors as we go into our tomorrow. Go now, BIST. Go forth and make history. When all becomes reality, BIST. Give God the glory.